فتيات اليوم كفاكي تركاضا خلف سرابي، عودي نحو الإسلام لا تستمعي لذئابي، فالشرق دمار فيه والغرب عدو كتابي، همهم طمس الدين وكذا لفظا لترابي، قتلوا الإنسانية في أعماقهم في حرابي، هجروا الأخلاق فصاروا حيوانات في غابي حيوانات.
Assalamu alaikum, young learners. Are you ready to discover the beautiful supplication Muslims recite when it rains? Join me today as we'll learn and memorize a short dua that carries immense blessings and teaches us to appreciate Allah's mercy during rainy days. Let's get started. Now, let's break down the supplication. The phrase we're going to learn today is Allaahumma soyyiban Naafia, which means, "O Allah, make this rain beneficial." When it rains, Muslims turn to Allah, acknowledging His control over nature and seeking His blessings in the raindrops that fall from the sky. Now, let's practice memorizing the supplication together. Now, repeat after me. Allaahumma soyyiban Naafia. Allaahumma soyyiban Naafia. Great, mashallah, you're doing great. Now let's take it one more time. Allaahumma soyyiban Naafia. To help you remember this dua, try writing it down in a notebook or using sticky notes around your study area. You can also recite it during rainy days or whenever you see raindrops falling. Remember, this supplication is a beautiful way to express gratitude and seek Allah's blessings during rainfall. Barakallahu feekum, mashallah. Congratulations, you've learned the supplication Muslims say when it rains. Allaahumma soyyiban Naafia. Allaahumma soyyiban Naafia. Allahumma soyyiban Naafia. Keep practicing and sharing this dua with your friends and family. May your understanding of Islam grow, and may you always find blessings in every raindrop. Jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu feekum. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.